Join me for this 10-minute full body floor-based stretch and relax. So come down onto the ground on something comfortable. You can equally do this lying on a bed. So just follow along with the stretches that I'm going to do and just relax and enjoy. So what we're going to do, have both your legs slightly bent. Now extend one leg in and gently just ease. Make sure you're pulling not directly on the knee joint, just a little bit below, and just feel a lovely stretch through the glute. But this is also really good for your spinal health. We're just really stretching out through the back as well. All these stretches we're going to hold between 20 to 30 seconds. There's a little bar at the bottom that shows you how long to go on each stretch. Let's just release that leg. Now take the other leg in and just really relax while you're doing this. Take a deep breath in and then a nice deep breath out. And just again, just feel that stretch all through the glute. And these stretches just make everyday movement feel easier and smoother. And now let's just release that leg back, and this time now take the opposite leg. Now extend it up straight and just hold on around the calf muscle. Just gently ease that leg, the thigh towards your chest. So we're just really developing through your hamstring flexibility. And this one here, again, just really working on your hamstrings. That helps reduce back pain and hip issues. And then slowly release. So let's now take that to the opposite leg. Just always make sure you never pull directly behind the knee joint and just ease that in. And let's take a deep breath in and then deep breath out, and just focus on just doing some nice deep breathing. And this one is especially good for your hips and your lower back. And release that leg back down. This time take the opposite leg up, but now what I want you to do is just cross it over the opposite leg, and you're going to draw that leg up, take the foot off the floor and just take the hands through and just ease that in. So now we're working really through that glute, and this one here is really good for the back. Just help release any tension, any muscular tightness. And slowly lower that leg down, take the opposite leg up, cross it over the opposite leg and gently ease it through. And just feel that stretch through that leg that we've got crossed over, all through that glute muscle. And this one is really good to support better spinal health doing this stretch. And then slowly release. So I'm going to turn around, but all I want you to do, you can stay in the same position, is just drop both your knees over to one side. Just let them hang how feels comfortable. Then take your arms over to the opposite side. And it might be that the knees don't touch, it doesn't matter. Just hold a position that feels comfortable, but your arms are in an opposite position to your legs. And just keep going. I'll tell you, I'll count you down when we're going to just change and take the legs over to the opposite side. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Now bring your knees up to the center for me. So we're slowly going to come up to the center, arms back up to the center, then take your knees over to the other side. Equally those arms, and just feel that all through your waist, through your back, through your hips, even through the outside of your thigh on that top leg. And you can just do some nice deep breathing while we're doing this. This workout's really also aimed to help reduce any anxiety, any stress. It's just about relaxing and stretching through our bodies. And we've now finished on that stretch. So what I want you to do, bring those arms up, knees up, and now in your own time we're going to come up to a sitting position. So we're just going to get nice and comfortable, sit nice and tall. So for this one, we're going to take the soles of the feet together and gently just ease down with those legs. So now we're pushing those legs out and we're just feeling a lovely stretch through the inner thigh, or equally you can just lean into it if you find it too hard to push down on the legs. This one really lovely to stretch through your adductors, those inner thigh muscles. An alternative, if you find that uncomfortable, you can do this same stretch. They're both as effective as each other. It's whatever one you prefer. And well done. So for your next stretch, this time now, we're going to take both legs out straight. Then you're going to cross one leg over and take the opposite elbow towards the knee and just draw that leg in and just look across and just feel that stretch through that glute muscle, through the outer thigh. So this is where it's going to be so good for your back, for your hip, even for your knees. And then let's just release and take that to the opposite leg. So it's opposite hand to knee, and we're just really just drawing that across. And also another benefit of doing stretching, it's really good for your circulation as well. It really helps deliver oxygen and nutrients. So this is why it's really nice to take time out to do those lovely full body stretches. And now for your next stretch, this time what I want you to do is just sit nice and comfortably, and we're going to take one arm up and over, the other hand is supporting you on the ground, and just feel that lovely stretch through your waist, through those obliques. Just really feel that there. And now let's bring that hand back up across, and now reach that opposite arm over. And another great benefit of this workout here, this relax and stretch, really also helps to reduce your cortisol levels. So that's that stress hormone. Just really feel that lovely stretch. And then just release, take that arm back up to the center. And now this time, let's now take one leg out, have the other leg slightly bent, and now just walk the hands down the leg and just hold that stretch, and you'll get a lovely full upper body stretch here, as well as still stretching through the lower body. And if you do struggle with anxiety, I've got a really lovely 8-minute audio which is really designed to help reduce anxiety and calm your mind. And we do this with a guided audio relaxation, and you have music, calming words, but I'll leave all the details for that in the description down below and at the end of the video. All right, that's good. So just really feel that stretch and then just release, walk those hands back up. So now let's take that to the opposite leg and just walk those hands down and just feel that lovely stretch. It's especially nice through that upper back. And if you are on Facebook, do come and find us, Lucy Squad. It's a really lovely online community. If you can, just walk those hands down a little bit further just to really intensify through that stretch. And now walk those hands back up, and this time now just extend both legs out straight. We're going to then sit nice and tall, reach those arms above, and now just start to walk those hands down the front of your legs as far as you can, and then try and just hold that position. So again, we're just really developing through those hamstrings, and this is a lovely full body stretch you can do every single day to really just help relax and stretch. And do let me know in the comments down below if you've enjoyed this full body stretch today, and if you'd like me to create perhaps a few more for you as well. And now, well done. So that is you now fully stretched and hopefully also fully relaxed. And as always, there's my high five, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.